Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add all the comments you are receiving on your YouTube channel to one single spreadsheet where you can track these comments. You do not have to lift any finger or search for these comments manually. Instead, as soon as someone is going to add those comments to your YouTube channel to any video, all those comments will appear in the spreadsheet. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect YouTube to Google Sheets in such a manner that whenever there will be new comment on my particular video or my channel, all the details are added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use those tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared. I'm going to select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find the workflows here and the folders here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. I will be creating a new workflow from the scratch. So I'm going to name this workflow as automatically collect YouTube comments in Google Sheets, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select as all automation and then click on create. Here workflow is created, and now I have to select this trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new comment on my channel, automatically the comment details are added to the spreadsheet, which means whenever there will be new comment on this channel, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking YouTube, and in the trigger event, I'm going to select new comment on a channel. If you want a particular video, you can select this. If you want this new video on channel, you can select this. I'm going to select new comment on a channel and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add connection, then click on the sign in with Google. So here I have selected my account. I have entered my account, and the connection is created successfully with that account where I have the YouTube channel. The channel is already selected as we have built the connection. Then we have to enter this max results. The max results parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be returned in the result set. Acceptable values are 1 to 100 inclusive. The default value is 20. So you can enter the maximum results according to the requirement. If suppose you are going to get 10 comments in 1 hour, you can enter that, and then accordingly you can enter the acceptable values between 1 to 100. I'm going to enter 10 for example. And now if I click on save and send test request, I'm going to get the recent comment which has been put to my YouTube channel, this channel. Now I'm going to, let's suppose, open this particular video, and I'm going to add a comment. Where is the video link? Kindly share. This is the comment which I'm going to add here. So as the comment is posted to this particular video, I'll go back towards my workflow, and I'm going to hit save and send test request. Let's see whether we receive the response or not. We have received the response. So if I scroll down, we have the ID, we have all these details. If I scroll further, we have the comment. Where is the video link? Kindly share. So if I open my comment, this is the same exact comment which we have received from this particular account, and then we have the rest of the details. When was this comment posted? So here, as soon as we have received the details, we can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new comment, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now YouTube is a polling based application. If I right click on this clock, you can see the set trigger time. In this drop down, I have all the triggered timings. The maximum is 24 hours and the minimum is this 10 minutes. Now as polling based application do not give the response instantly, we have to set this trigger time, which means Pabbly Connect will check for the response after 10 minutes and not instantly. Here we have saved this. The polling time has been updated. Now I want to add this to my spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets. In the action event, I'm going to select add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Choose a Google account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets. And after choosing that account, click on this allow to grant away the permission. You will see Google Sheets will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Connection created successfully. Now I have to enter the spreadsheet. So this is the same spreadsheet, YouTube comments, which is selected. And as we have these fields, name and comment, we have it over here. I'm going to enter it, but I'm not going to enter like this manually. We have to map it. And to map it, we have to enter / go towards this YouTube and then enter the name of this person, which was this. And then I'm going to enter this comment also. So the comment was kindly share video link. So over here, see, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, let's save and send test request. We have received the response. Let's open the Google Sheets. Here it is. We have added the details. The name is this. The comment is where is the video link, kindly share. So we have received the details. We have added the details, and this is how we have built the connection between YouTube and Google Sheets with this simple integration. Whenever any comment will be appearing in your YouTube channel on any video, all that details with the name of this person and the comment will be added to your spreadsheet. So this is how we have built the connection. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.